Hey guys, so I am going to do a Snap Circuit Junior circuit right here. So I will teach you guys how to make a conduction detector. So what this does is it lights up this little light right here. We're going to use a paper clip today because I tried it with a bunch of other stuff. It didn't really work. So I tried a paper clip and it lit up. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do it yourself if you got Snap circuits. Alright, so what we're going to do first of all is we're going to put some AA batteries in here. I already did that, but first we're going to put this, snap that right on. You can't just put it anywhere. Here. So we're going to put it on the B, not the A. Okay, and then next part we're going to do is we're going to take a number one piece right here, and a number two piece, and we're going to stick the number one on the bottom. And we are going to face this guy this direction, so the tail of the tube is pointing that way. You guys can choose which direction, and so I think it works with either direction. So then we're going to take another number two and the LED, which is also labeled D1, and we're going to snap that thing right on there. Snap that on. Now we're going to take the resistor and snap that right on. There we go. And then we're going to do, wait. That looks right. Yep. Alright. And then just attach that like that. And then we're going to do like what we did. Take the number one. And then take the number two. Stick that on the bottom. And hang on. Face this way. Face this way. Face this way. Alright, I know what you guys are thinking. It's not lighting up. But here's the exciting part. It will light up. Alright, here we go. Boom. There it goes. Bright as Rudolph's nose on Christmas night. And that's how to build your own Snap circuit. Conduction detector. And so you guys can get these anywhere, and then just look it up on this book. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.